take a look at this A-Class we found. That is the toy hauler. You're not gonna believe it.
And you really think you want a bus. You want the A-Class.
Oh my gosh. I think that the 2 full bathrooms.
Largest of the RVs is the A-Class, the bus. Big picture window out the front. Quite often have opposing slides. Make them feel very, very homey, very enjoyable. If you're comfortable driving something 40 feet long down the road, maybe this is what you're looking for. Let's take a look. So you think you want an A-Class. How about a Berkshire 40 by Forest River? Let's take a look at the bus. What does this offer us? Look at the tile floors. Beautiful.
Wow, this is beautiful.
It just is big.
Yeah.
That's the first thing that hits me, is this is big. Plenty of counter space, induction cooktop, residential refrigerator, swivel front seats, a drop bunk,
Yep.
which comes down over the seats if you need a bunk for nighttime. Tons of storage overhead. Pop-up charging station.
Oh, but here's where the fun part comes, right?
Yep.
Oh, we have
Twin bunks
twin bunks.
with doors, which is kind of cool.
And for them, we have,
A full bath.
yeah, look, there's
This-
a shower. Everything you need in a bathroom right here.
But what's impressive about this rig is not only do you have that bathroom, but in the master suite, you have this bathroom.
Whoa. Oh, look at that. That's where the washer and dryer are.
So this particular rig is equipped with 2 full baths.
That's huge.
That's huge.
That's
King
huge.
size bed, tons of drawers
Look
and
up.
closets.
Look up.
Ceiling fan. That's awesome.
That is awesome.
You know you need a ceiling fan. Nice pocket doors to
Oh,
close
yeah.
off your bedroom. This is what you get with an A-Class.
Oh my gosh. I think that the 2 full bathrooms, I don't think I've seen that in a
I've
rig
never
before.
seen that before.
Wow.
This is really impressive. Huge television,
Yep.
comfortable, leather, I mean, soft. This is nice. Love
This
the
is a nice
the
one.
backsplash in here.
Yeah, take a look at this backsplash. Ooh. And the faucet. Ooh, makes me jealous. That's nice. This is really spacious. It has the opposing slides, so there's lots of room.
And a huge picture window.
Oh yeah. So which one is this one?
This is a Berkshire 40 2-bath double bunk. And for the passenger, that is a table to hold your laptop, which is right down here on the side.
Oh yeah.
There's the storage for it.
You'd be cozy in this one.
Very nice.
This one was very nice. Super amazing. One more time. Look how big.
40 foot.
40 foot. Oh, but all the luxuries.
What else you get with an A-Class? Basement, basement, basement.
Oh, I wonder what this is.
That's television.
TV in there. But look at this. The whole bottom is nothing but basement. Whoa,
On
it's a
slides.
slide. But it goes all the way through.
Of course it does.
Wow. More and more and more. Oh, it just keeps going.
This is a diesel pusher. Look at this, more storage.
Yep.
Engine is accessed.
Woo, that's pretty. And on this side, storage. Again, all the way down.
Hydraulic systems for the jacks, power cords. This is a beautiful unit. Wow, that's impressive. That was impressive.
Okay, so we've been showing you like the A classes, the B classes, and the C classes. Well, and we showed you a toy hauler. Take a look at this A class we found. That is a toy hauler. You're not going to believe it. All right, let's go on in. I just love how high the ceilings are in here. It's because it's a toy hauler. Ooh, you gotta figure out how the lights work. There's that one. There we go. All looking good. Oh, Brad, you just walked into the toy hauler part.
This is a separate window shaker
Oh, that's cool.
for the toy hauler.
Bed comes down.
This also becomes a patio.
Wow.
This is the patio, and it has hard doors to separate the patio from the rest of the rig. So this is pretty cool. If I still had my Harley, I would definitely have to consider one of these.
This is truly the best of both worlds. Oh, take a look at these doors, the pocket doors.
Twin outlet, full charging station. And look at the huge information display for GPS, radio, etc.
Yep.
So this is a bunk. This will come down and become an overhead bunk. Very, very cool. This is the Outlaw.
These A classes, if you want to go full time or most time and you want space, oh, A class is so cool. The neat thing about an A class is you have that huge front plate glass window